Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status for your Roblox account. So first you launch the application or the website, and then after you log into your account you just click here on more and then you choose settings. After that you will find privacy and content restriction. You are going to choose this one, and here you will find in the options visibility and private servers. You just select this option, and then you will find the first option visibility. You just select it, and here as you can see the first option is online status, and here you can choose of course how to hide it, if you want to hide it from everyone or only for your friends, or you can choose whatever that you want. But if you want to hide it for all, you just click on, you choose the option no one, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.